all of my students at one point or another ask me, how do I sound more confident when I'm speaking English? It's actually a little bit easier than you probably think. I'll tell you about a student I had named Madi. She had a presentation that she was going to give for a promotion at work. So she asked me to listen to it. She's going through her presentation and it sounds great. It's almost perfect. And I say almost because she made one small mistake, but she made it many, many times. She said, I think 11 times in the presentation. Consider this. A salesman says to you, I think we have the best product on the internet. Your doctor says, I think you're going to be okay. Doesn't sound so confident, does it? We hire professionals. We pay them because they're professionals. So we want them to be confident in the information that they know or the information that they give us. You are a professional. You're paid because you're a professional, and you should sound confident. So simply take I think out of your statements and you can sound much more confident. We have the best product on the internet. You're going to be okay. Much more confident, much better feeling. Now, what if you have to give your opinion? We're all used to saying, I think, when we give our opinion about things, and that's okay. But if you want to sound more confident when giving your opinion, try one of these two phrases. I believe, or I'm confident. I believe we have the best product on the internet. I'm confident we have the best product on the internet. You can't beat those two phrases. They're wonderful. So let's recap. If you want to sound more confident, take I think out of your statements. If you have to give your opinion, use I believe or I'm confident instead. Look at that. I'm almost out of tea, so this video is almost over. If you like this content and you want to learn more about this and other psychology-based English communication strategies, check out my book, Lessons for a Billionaire. It's a collection of 25 psychology-based English lessons I wrote for a billionaire, and it actually helped him navigate a multi-million-dollar deal. If you're learning English, it's a great resource. If you're a native speaker, it can help supercharge your conversations. I'm your executive English coach, Ben Lindsay. Thanks for joining me. If you like the content, hit subscribe and like. It's a really easy way and free way to help me out. I'm out of tea.